Many doctors rely on Access Crown, a bisacril temporary resin material, for their temporary crown and bridge needs. Its high compressive flexural strength makes it durable, while multiple shade options and enhanced color stability provide the aesthetics patients want. Dr. Alan Pressman relies on Access Crown for his crowns, multi-unit bridges, and implant cases. He said, "This is a composite-like material, so it's a lot easier to use compared with materials of the past, such as acrylic. It can be added onto with a light-curing flowable of the same shade, or you can add more of the same material itself if you have a void, or in cases where you want to bulk something out a little bit more." With Access Crown, you can prepare, temporize, and take an impression for a single-unit crown or 3-unit bridge in less than an hour. This makes appointments more efficient and helps ensure long-lasting restorations benefiting both patients and clinicians. Dr. Pressman is very impressed with Access Crown, as he said, "The material met my expectations and more for a fast, strong, easy aesthetic temp material."